welcome. My name is Sarah, and I'm so glad that you're here today. This week has been cool and rainy, so we've been spending more time inside. I wanted to give the whole house a little extra cleaning. It's nice when it's gray outside to make it feel a little cozier inside, even though we'll soon have 80-degree days again. I started the day by washing our sheets. I like to do this about once a week. I think having a freshly made bed is one of life's little pleasures. Taking a little time to make things just right can make you feel nice later. Next, I moved to our dining room. We had just finished homeschool and lunch, so everything needed a little tidying up. The roses in our garden are really blooming right now, so I'm trying to remember to cut a few and bring them into the house. Bringing little bits of nature into our house makes it feel so cozy, and I get to enjoy the blossoms a little more. Although our cat enjoys chewing on roses for some reason, so they weren't long-lived. I think taking care of our homes, cleaning the floors and dusting and all of those tasks sometimes feels like taking care of ourselves. It makes me feel calmer and more peaceful when everything is neat and clean. I feel like I can relax and enjoy it and not look around and see a constant to-do list. Next, I moved into our entryway and gave everything a good dusting. All the flowers and trees are blooming outside, so there's a layer of pollen on everything inside. I'll take it. I love all the spring flowers. I gave all the upholstery in the living room a quick vacuum as well. The rug in this room sheds a lot of little wool bits, so I like to vacuum pretty regularly to keep them from rolling around the house. I was going to get rid of this bamboo tray because the bottom had water damage, but I found a piece of contact paper and attached it to the bottom, and now it looks brand new. I had to play around with these birds for a while to arrange them. It takes a few tries to get them looking just right. My daughter made this little sign for our dishwasher to remind everyone to take care of their dishes. Our kitchen is in constant use, so I feel like I'm cleaning the kitchen several times a day. When I feel like procrastinating a task, whether it's cleaning related or otherwise, I remind myself of doing the task for my future self. Do I want to do it now, or do I want to put it off for my future self to deal with? Most of the time, this thought motivates me to do whatever it is I'm procrastinating. I don't know what tomorrow will bring or whether I'll have time to deal with it later, so I might as well get it done now. Sometimes I do leave it for later, though. In my last video, I mentioned that I was nervous about the white bedding in my daughter's bedroom. I think I jinxed myself because our cat threw up all over the bed shortly after that. Luckily, it washed out and all is well. The carpet in this room is also a magnet for cat hair and dust. I'm always shocked at how much dirt's pulled out from it when I vacuum. Sometimes I think the vacuum 3D prints dust. Finally, I moved into the bathroom and gave it a refresh. This is the bathroom that we use most often. We do have a bathroom in the basement, but this sink gets a lot of use and it is always in need of a good wipe down. Fresh flowers are so nice in the bathroom too. It's a nice little touch that makes it smell better and adds a little smile to your day. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!